everyone, I'm Ankita Pokharel. In today's video, we'll do reading and grammar section for the unit Facts and Truths. Let's begin the class now. So for the unit Facts and Truths, we have our first reading session and it's about red pandas. Let's learn about them. Red pandas spend most of their time in the trees. They have claws to grip branches and long bushy tails for balance. They use their claws for defense if necessary. They also release bad smells. In this way, they protect themselves from their enemies. It can get pretty cold where red pandas live. They use their bushy tails as blankets in cold weather. Their thick fur and furry feet also provide warmth. Furry paw pads keep them from slipping on wet branches and snow. Red pandas have excellent eyesight, hearing, and sense of smell. Mother pandas give birth to one of 4 cubs. The cubs stay with the mother for about 1 year or until the next litter is born. Red pandas are endangered animals. Their forest habitat continues to be replaced by farms. Poaching and illegal pet collections are also problems. Still, there is hope. We will find ways to save them. So students, we just read something very interesting about red pandas. Let's try to pick out some key takeaways from the text. Firstly, we got to know about their physical characteristics. So, under this topic, we got to know that red pandas are unique species as they are not related to giant pandas or bears because they belong to their own unique family. Next thing we got to know about their physical characteristic is appearance. What did we learn in appearance? They have round face, red and black fur, a bushy tail, and are about the size of a house cat. We also got to know about their adaptation. Here we got to know about their claws that they use for gripping branches. We also got to know that they use their bushy tail for balance. Next thing we got to know about red pandas' adaptations were that their furry feet is used for warmth and grip on wet surfaces. Likewise, in number 2, we got to know about their habitat and behavior. What did we learn here? We learned that they are mountain dwellers. We also learned that their primary food source is bamboo, but they also eat fruit, insects, eggs, and small animals. The next thing, they are arboreal. That means they spend most of their time in trees. And then we also got to know about their defense mechanisms. Here, they have claws for defense and they also release bad smells to deter their predators, right? Likewise, in number 3, we got to know about their reproduction and lifespan. Here we got to know that mother pandas give birth to 1 to 4 cubs and care for them for about a year. What was the other thing that we knew about red pandas? In the text, we got to know that they are endangered animals due to habitat loss, poaching, or illegal pet trade as well. And we also knew that there are ongoing efforts to protect and conserve red pandas. Since I have given you guys a lot of information about red pandas and we also noted the key takeaways, here we are on the screen with some questions and this is to be done all on your own, okay? So this one's your assignment. One of the assignments for this unit. So on your screen you see there are some sentences from your reading text about red pandas. We need to complete them with the missing words. Let's try doing it together. Red pandas dash in cool, damp mountain forests. So number A is live. They live in cool, damp mountain forests. Let's go to number B. But sometimes they dash eggs or even small animals. Eat. Number C. They dash claws to grip branches. Have. D. Furry paw pads dash from slipping. Keep them. E. Mother pandas dash birth to 1 to 4 cubs. Okay. Likewise, we have another exercise below. So here we need to fill in the spaces with the present simple forms of the given verbs. Do you know what are the present simple forms? To determine that, we first need to find out if we are talking about singular subjects or plural subjects. If we have singular subjects, we use verb 5. That means as or es added to verb 1. As or es added to the base form of the verb And if we have plural subjects, we use verb 1, which I have already mentioned is the base form of the verb. Let's try doing the exercise. My sister dash play tennis. So is my sister a singular subject? Yes. So we use S or ES. What's the S or ES form of play? It's plays. My sister plays tennis. They dash eat lunch at 12. They is plural. So we leave this verb as it is. They eat lunch at 12. It dash here in December. It is regarded as singular subject. So since we add S or ES to singular subject, we write it snows here in December. Number D, Mr. Rai, the singular subject. Hence, we write TEACHES. Mr. Rai teaches English at the secondary level. Ruby and Dil dash watch television after school. So when we join two singular subjects with and, it becomes plural, and then for plural subjects we use the base form of the verb. Hence, we use watch here as it is. So here we have an exercise where we need to write the correct questions and finish the short answers. You just need to arrange the questions with the words given and then write the answers. Let me do number A for you and you will get the clue of how to do it. Live at you do school. Do you live at school? That's the question. It needs to be filled in here. No, I don't. It needs to be filled in as answers. So accordingly, do the remaining 4 questions as well on your own. How did your class go today? If you have any suggestions or feedback, feel free to reach out to us at learning@tiawalk.edu.np. See you in the next class with another lesson. Thank you.